Hello. Just want to say happy belated Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Hopefully you got to celebrate virtually at a distance with your family and loved ones. You might be looking at me. Yep, I'm wearing a hat. Sides are a little bit shorter, but I'm going to save that reveal towards the end of this. But today I want to talk about sound, and specifically sound when it comes to being on a virtual call or a virtual meeting, which is new and might be around for a while, as who knows how long we're going to be in our virtual situations for, trying to stay safe and all. So there's a few things that you can do to make your virtual experience a little bit better. And if we all do it, it makes everybody's experience a little bit better. So a lot of people have Bluetooth headsets that they might use when they're on a call. Gives them audio, the mic is close to your mouth, but not everyone has this option. And sometimes, if you're on a call for a fair amount of time, it can definitely start to hurt your ears wearing something like this. There are other people who use the speaker built into their, the microphone, built into their. There are other people who use the microphone that's built into their laptop, desktop, which doesn't provide great sound. The microphone is typically very close to the keyboard. So when you are typing, you hear a lot of this while you're on the call, which isn't a great experience either for others on the call. So what else can you do? There's a few things you can do. Probably if you have a smartphone, whatever type of phone that is, they came with a set of earbuds. And you might not know that you can actually use these earbuds. These are white ones that came with a phone in our family. They have lipstick on them right here. I don't know why there's lipstick on an earphone. Anyhow, you could plug these into your computer and wear them. And the microphone right here actually is very close to your mouth and will provide great quality audio while you're on a virtual call. I'd recommend this to a lot of people if you don't have another option. If you have wireless earbuds, you could connect those to your computer, your laptop, and use those virtually. They would work as well in the same way. And it's pretty simple in Teams to show you how to do that. So I'm going to jump into the computer. Actually, I'm not going to physically jump into the computer. I'm going to jump onto the computer. Well, not jump on, I don't want to break it. But anyways, we're going to go look at the screen and I'll show you how you can set this up in Teams. When you're in Teams, what I want to do is I'm in the desktop app and go up to the top right where you might see your picture, your avatar, or your initials if you haven't changed that, and click on it. You can here change your avatar if you just have your initials there. You can put a picture in, but what I want to go to is settings. In settings, you can do a lot of things. Change your notifications if you're not getting notified of messages or chats that are happening within certain groups. But specifically for right now, I want to look at devices. So I'm going to click on devices, and here's where you can choose your audio devices. So if you are using your PC mic and speakers, you can change that if you plug in your microphone or a headset and put that as whatever that could be. Myself, I have a custom setup going right now where the audio is coming out of my speakers of my laptop. However, I have a headset plugged in to the microphone port, and I'm using that for my audio rather than the microphone array, which is the actual laptop itself. Once you've customized this and changed it, what I like to do personally is make a test call. And what this does is it does a testing of your audio. So what it'll do is it'll allow you to speak to you and then you speak back with what's going on. Right now I have my speakers muted so we don't get notifications during this. However, if I unmute, it's asking me to speak into what's going on. Right now I have my speakers muted so we don't get notifications. And here we go. We can hear what my audio will sound like. And does that sound better? And it gives you a little test results score. Does that sound better than if you were to use your laptop speakers and microphone? These are things you can play around with, but wanted to show you a quick and easy way to set this up to make your experience and everyone else's experience that you're on calls with a little bit more pleasant. So there's also a couple other things you can do in order to make your Teams meeting or virtual meetings a little bit better. So we talked about audio and what you can do for that. Now, one thing that I've done is try to raise my laptop up a little bit higher. This is beneficial for your webcam. So you're not looking like this, and people aren't necessarily staring directly up, up your nose. Not the most flattering look. So this is something you can do, and put it on a box, put it on some books. What I've done here is peek behind the curtain. I have mine sitting on a Lego stand that I made. So made it out of Lego, and it's what I keep my laptop on. And this allows it to be raised up a little bit for calls, makes things a little bit more pleasant, and tries to flatter. I need all the help I can get flattering this face. So, just a few tips hopefully can help make yours, your teammates, and coworkers' meeting experiences virtually a little bit better. Do you mind if I try something on you? Yeah, you. I'm gonna read your mind. Huh? How about that? All right, so here we go. Then I'll show. I need you to think of a number between 1 to 10. Okay? Got it? Great. Take your number, multiply it by 2. Do you need a calculator? Hopefully not. Okay? Add 8, so plus 8 to that number. Divide it by 2. Okay? Good to go so far. Excellent. Now, subtract your original number from the current number that you have. Okay? Good so far? Excellent. And now, with the number that you have, correspond that number on this chart. So if you have 19, that's S. If you have 14, that is N. Okay, great. You have your number. Now, what I would like you to do is think of a country that it starts with, right? So your number and your letter, think of a country that starts with that letter. Okay, good. Now take the second letter of that country and think of an animal that starts with that letter. Okay, good. All right. And now what color is that animal? Okay, here's where my mind reading comes in. I'm guessing that you thought of a gray elephant from Denmark. This is purple, but I'm thinking you thought of a gray elephant from Denmark. And if I actually read your mind, let me know in the comments down below this video on Sierra. Let me know if I did that. All right. Should we tell him? Show him? Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna show you the footage.
I don't know
your
what
specialty.
Okay, so you want an 18? Are you sure you want me to do this?
Not really. Maybe can you give me your specialty on the sides and leave the top the way it is? How do we feel about that?
Not good.
Well, let's just say that you're not the only one not feeling good about this, so let's go with it. Okay.
You say so.
Just leave it now? Good?
Yeah, you're done.
Yeah, that pretty much looks like Mugatu. I think we might have to do some cleaning up on this. Anyhow, think about those tips for your audio and stay safe, stay distant.
Okay, what number should we try?
Let's try 3 up the
15?
sides. Let's try 3 up the sides.
Let's try a 15 here on the back.
Let's try 3 up the sides.
Man.
15?
Yeah. Just want to go slow. Do you want me to just like...
Yes. That's way more fun.
Okay.
To go slow.
We can do. I'm not sure what to do about the rest up here. You should worry about Daddy's hair more. Yours looks fine, dude. I'm giving him a mushroom cut.
Oh, let's go.
I'm getting a bowl cut.
Let's go.
Oh God, I don't know what to do.
You should go
Just take a 3 and go like here and just go straight down with a 3 and just make a line right across.
Oh my God, no.
Why not?
Daddy,
That's
What do we
gonna
got to
be-
lose?
That's gonna be awful.
Okay, then we just keep going up shorter and shorter and
Daddy,
shorter.
you should
Okay, well,
Are we looking good?
sure.
Just fade it.
I'm trying. Fade it. You fade it. Are we just gonna leave this top on top like here?
Sure. Well, though when the 9 blends into the longer stuff, we can do a 3 underneath, yeah?
I'm not sure what's going on over here. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Sorry, you're gonna have to live with that. If I keep going, it's just gonna go into like a point.
I can't even see my own hair, so it's fine.
Okay, let me just try and,
Clean it up.
yeah. You just have a lot of hair on top.
I look like Carrot Top.
You're the one that wanted to.
Should we do something to the top? But if we're gonna do it, you have to do it all or nothing. You know what that means. If we're going 18, we're going 18 right down the middle.
You don't look like.
What? Oh, it's like devilish. It's devilish good. Oh, sounds like a juicy piece. It's like a semi-quarter professional cut.